Asha.
I'm Amita.
And welcome back to our YouTube channel.
After super long. Guys, today's topic is quite cool because we are showing you different beauty products and skincare products that we are liking since this past 4-5 weeks.
Yeah, approx like 2 months, things that we've like found, used them, so we know if they're good
so
or they're bad.
And we actually like them, so we're gonna give you a short review. So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's start with something that we use सबसे ज़्यादा, which is concealer.
So the newfound love is Smashbox. I think the consistency is very nice.
What shade are you?
I am light neutral olive right here. But इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा, like it's a little bit वो जो आपको end में highlighting और concealer वाला चाहिए होता है. But for actual concealer like these pimple mask coverage, this brand is so good.
Krylon.
Right here, my shade in this, I'll put it in the comment section.
4W.
4W.
So there are no shade names, it's just 4W.
It is so smooth, super hydrating for
And
people
full
with
coverage?
dry skin. Full coverage. And we don't use foundation, so I think concealer full coverage works for us like
because
wow.
concealer is the thing that we use on our blemishes to hide something. And I've been really liking this one from Too Faced. I'm in the shade light beige. Oh my god, I think this is like my newfound favorite concealer. Been using it for months and months and love it. So guys, the next thing is, I think कुछ months पहले हमने बताया था that using a primer is really important.
Yeah.
And I think you must have seen it on our stories also sometime back. We did like an unboxing. They sent us a PR package. So this one is a primer from MUA Makeup. So it's now available on Nykaa. And they sent us a package, honest reviews here. This one's really nice. It has tea tree oil. तो जिनको थोड़ा सा smell का issue है, उनको थोड़ा सा issue हो जाएगा. But otherwise, really moisturizing, especially because the winter months are coming.
Tea tree oil is anyway
Very good for the skin, and because it's so moisturizing, it just holds everything without drying out your skin.
So guys, another new product that we've been using is this Too Faced mascara. It's the Damn Well mascara. I think the consistency is so good.
Especially because जिनके scanty lashes हैं, it has like this thick bristle जिससे evenly apply होता है the mascara, and I mean it really fills up your eyelashes and gives you length as well as volume. So really nice.
With the mascara, let us show you this cool product that we've discovered. Look at this, guys.
What is this?
क्या लग रहा है ये?
So guys, this is an eyelash curler, like a spot lash curler. So it'll curl your like it's for spot curling. I know you. इसमें बहुत like you get very small areas that you can curl, but trust me, it does work wonders. So another new find and really been loving it.
Guys, with winter incoming, even for summers, we always use body lotion. Bath and Body में discount चल रहा है. Love these.
So all these
this one's
body
our favorite,
creams.
the Perfect Peony, and even every
I mean, we keep on trying new fragrances every time, and
all
because they were
fragrances
discounts,
superb.
we stocked up on our winter body lotions and body creams and all of that. And I mean, Bath and Body is really nice. Yes, you have to keep on reapplying like twice a day, but the fragrance.
So good. Guys, lipstick crush of the month. With the festivities, I'm really loving this Eco lipstick.
I mean, we love lipstick, but because festive season में थोड़ा extra चाहिए होता है.
Yeah, and also it's such a nice color of nude.
You know what? I've never tried. I think I've kind of never tried Kiko.
This is my first product from Kiko, and we are loving it for these Indian wear shoots that we guys are doing these days with Diwali parties coming in. It is just awesome. The color is 20. The number is 21. Kiko, it's beautiful, and the lipstick that she's crushing on is this Barbie.
So honestly, I ordered this because of the packaging. This is the Pure X Barbie collection. It is wow. The packaging is wow. The packaging is what stole my heart. And I mean, it's such an interesting way of how it opens also. So you just click it and it opens. And what a gorgeous nude shade this is. Goes with everything. Been using it. I was so happy and excited when Natasha Denona finally launched on Sephora in India, because I've been watching
and
Natasha.
the packaging is so
Is
cute.
so
Even the
damn
formula.
cute. So this is what I ordered like
We also have the pink one.
2-3 weeks ago. So this is like a blush glow duo which has like a highlighter and a blush. What an amazing highlighter and what an amazing blush, and like it's so compact. I ordered a mini because of course you can't finish your blushes and highlighters and you have so many.
Yeah,
but
it's not too
really,
much also.
Yeah, it's not too much. It's like a glow from within.
And it's a
sort of
highlighter and a blush.
Yes. So it's a mini and been really loving it, and so easy to carry in like your small festive bags, like those portlies or clutches or whatever.
With a small brush.
Yeah.
Guys, talking of blush, that's another beautiful product that we are crushing on. Charlotte Tilbury blush. Look at that. It is
We
gorgeous.
using it so much, especially for our shoots
That's
and all.
what- exactly.
Because it's so pigmented.
And it has this highlighter also, and the formula is so nice. Thank you, Charlotte Tilbury.
And this one does not shy away from like over.
yeah, मैं जोकर बन जाती हूँ, मैं इतना blush लगा
It looks
लेती
like a
हूँ,
monkey.
but I love it.
So guys, the next thing is like a bit of a splurge, but not mine because Amita gifted this to me. So this is this perfume from Louis Vuitton. It's called Attrape Rêve, and the best thing about it is that it stays so long on your clothes.
And it's so nice. It's
मतलब कपड़े धोने के
amazing.
बाद भी it stays.
So last thing is these nail pins, guys, right here.
So let's be honest, for our hands we get shellac done, and for our legs, like feet, toes, we get like we put on nail paints. This was sent to us in PR, but we used it and really liked it.
Yeah, it's chemical free, it's toxin free, so that's why I
Vegan.
think makes for a really nice.
So this is
gift
a
option
newer
for
brand,
you.
yeah, but really nice nail paints and a lot of shades available. So that's the end of the video, guys. These are the things that we are crushing on these days. We wish you a very happy festive month, happy Diwali, happy Dhanteras, happy festivities,
Happy
and,
family time.
and we promise we'll be more consistent on YouTube.
We'd love to share what else we do and what products we use.
Also, do let us know what sort of videos you'd like to watch in the comment section below, and don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
follow us on Instagram. Our handle is
Arisha Mitha.
and we'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.